Well, I thought I'd shoot this little video. It's not even hot rod related, but a lot of guys that are into the hot rods or welding, fabricating, have a skid steer, and you're always looking at different tools to build. So here she goes. I took this vessel. It's about 2 feet by 3 feet. The material is about 3/8 thick. Not really sure what it was used for, but it's been sitting in my backyard for quite a while, so I've had this idea. I got a little job that I got to do for some tight digging. Here I've kind of cut off the nose of it. Here's another shot of that piece that's all clamped in. Nothing like grinding rusty, old, dusty rust, but you can either have a respirator or a COVID mask. Side shot all clamped in. She's ready to be glued together. Well, here's a shot of the digger attachment welded up, and it's just sitting on this universal plate that I got at our local welding shop. I've made my own before, but it takes all damn day, so here it is. A little side shot. Works like a charm if you ever need to make any sort of attachments for your skid steer or whatever machine you're using that you can change out tools. Well, here it is. After a couple of coats of the weld strengthening paint, it's all ready to go to work. The reason why I made this is if you ever have to do a little trench, or you got to pour some material into a tight spot, it works great. Concrete possibly, or if you got to dig into like a tight area or pull some rocks out. I did find that some material, if you're handling it, you might want to put a little, I guess, a fence or a baffle in the back of it, just so it's not spilling out the back. It's nice to have that little window in the back, just to try and locate it when you're digging away. Well, thank you everyone for watching my videos. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do so. For those who have subscribed or watching the videos, thank you so much. I sure appreciate your comments and your thumbs up. Even the thumbs down are kind of cool once in a while. Cheers, everyone.